Okay, so now we're on question 5, the properties of logarithms. Okay, so I'm going to actually write the ones up here we're going to use. So we've got the sum to product property. Well, that's supposed to be A and B. So we take sums and we make them be products. We also have subtractions turn to divisions. And we have powers turn to multiplication. Okay, and then we have the inverse properties, which are right here. So log b to the x equals x, and b log b to the x equals x. Okay, all right, so these are called the inverse properties because logs kill exponents and exponents kill logs. This is called the product one. This one's called the product or sum to product. This one's called difference to division, and then I don't know, power multiplication, power one. All right, so this one, it looks like this one, right? So it's going to be log b 9 times 5, so log b 45. Now you might be asking, why on earth do we care whether it's here or there? Well, it turns out that when we want to solve a logarithmic equation, we need to put the logs together and write them as one. Now notice that here there's one log, one log, one log, one log, one log, n log. So in order to use this property or this one, we have to have one log, and here we have 2 and 3 of them. So we're going to have to get this number, it's in front of here, up. We can use this property. So that's going to be log x squared plus log y cubed, and that's going to be log x squared y cubed. All right, good. Now this one says express this as a product. That just means multiplication. So we're going to take that 18 and drop it down using this property. So that's 18 log c. Now this one is an inverse property. Look, k log base k. So hey, look what happens. These all undo each other and you're left with 75. And this one is the other inverse property. So the log base 7, 70t, these undo each other and you're left with t. These are really useful. We're going to use these to solve equations. So just like we do, how do we undo multiplication? We use division. How do we undo division? We use multiplication. How do we undo addition? We use subtraction. How do we undo subtraction? We use addition. How do we undo square rooting? We square. How do we undo squaring? We square root. So it's the same process. Logs and exponents, they undo each other. All right, and talking about that, the next problem will be solving equations.